Hello, my lovely friends. Today we are going to draw this happy fish together. Sponsor of today's video is me, or Lumalu Sketchbook Club, where I share with you fun and easy drawing lesson. Link to the club and everything else you'll find below the video. That's all, and let's start drawing. First draw a circle, then add the eyes, tail, fins, big mouth with teeth. Create a new layer and draw clean lines over it. And we are ready to start painting. Set the line layer to multiply and move it to the top. Under it, create a new layer and color the head and tail yellow. Today I choose watercolor brushes because they are easy to use and give a really nice effect. As you can see, I don't focus on making the color super smooth, and layering creates those darker tones. Now I grab the blender and gently soften the sharp edges. With the eraser, I trace around the head and tail like I am drawing clean outlines with a white pencil to keep the color inside. Next, I use automatic selection to select the head and tail. Then invert the selection and swipe down with 3 fingers to erase everything outside. Create a new layer and paint the body of the fish light blue. Again, I use the eraser to clean up the edges. Then invert the selection and swipe down to delete the extra color. I lock the blue layer with Alpha Lock, which means any painting I do now will stay only on this layer. I apply green color unevenly and then duplicate the layer and merge it together. On a new layer, I paint white eyes and feet. Then I create another layer, clip it to the green-blue body, set it to multiply, choose a darker green and paint some shadows. I duplicate the shadow layer, adjust the opacity until I like it and merge it again. I blend the hard edges with blender. I create a new layer, set it to multiply, clip it to the yellow part and use a dark yellow to shade the head and tail. I blend the hard edges with blender. Again, I duplicate the layer, adjust the visibility and merge it. Above the yellow shadows, I add a new layer, set it to multiply and clip it. With red, I paint some cute cheeks. I create another layer, also multiply and clip it, and I use brown to add shadows around the eyes. Now, above the green body, I create a new layer and add dots. One more new layer, set to multiply, and I use a pencil brush to draw the darkest, sharpest shadows and details. At the very bottom, I create a new layer and use some stamp brushes to add watercolor splashes for extra texture. If the splashes are too light, I just duplicate the layer. I lower the opacity of the line art layer to make it look more like pencil under watercolor. Finally, I add a new top layer and use a black pencil to draw any final details. If you like this, my doodling friends, don't forget to check out my Lumalue Sketchbook Club, where I share step-by-step tutorials for drawing cute characters. Thank you and bye-bye.